Hey, it's time for a little art of science play with Miss Renee. The last time we saw each other, we were starting to study the science of rainbows. I am missing all of you so much. I'm sorry that we can't be together right now, but I'm hoping to get to see all of you very soon. But I do have a fun experiment for you today that hopefully you'll be able to do with your family at home. There are not a lot of materials for this experiment. I'll take a picture and show this list, but you're gonna need 2 cups of warm water total, a half a cup measuring cup, and I have a full cup, but I'm gonna only fill it halfway, a 1 tablespoon measuring spoon, 4 small glasses, I have those right here, you can see them, red, blue, yellow, and green food coloring, which I do have, and a glass or a jar, and I've chosen this one. It's just a vase, and a straw. And that's all you're gonna need for this experiment. So let's get started. Okay, first we're going to get started by measuring a half a cup of warm water into each of these glasses. So I'm going to pay close attention. That's half a cup. That is half a cup. So they're all starting out with just a half a cup of water. Good. Okay, so we're done with those items. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drop 2 drops of food coloring into each. And again, our colors are red. 1, oop, that was 2. Yellow, hello yellow. We need 2 of those. 1, 2, and then a little bit of green. 1, 2, and a little bit of blue. 1, 2, and that is all the food coloring that you need. A little bit goes a long way. So then what we're going to do is we're going to add sugar to each of these, but different amounts of sugar. So I have sugar here in a bowl. I'm curious if table salt will work. I haven't tried it, but I may do that next. So in the red, you get 2 tablespoons, which is this little spoon. 1, 2. And into the hello yellow, we double it. We went from 2 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And into the green, 2 more. 4 plus 2. How many will that give us for the green? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we get to the blue, and the blue gets 2 more. So we had 6 plus 2 will give us 8. 8 is great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, I can't believe it took all that sugar. 8. All right. So now we're going to stir them, and I have 4 straws, 1 for each of them. And we're just gonna stir round and round and round we go. Where we stop, nobody knows. Circle. I miss singing with my friends. All right, round and round we go, where we stop nobody knows. Circle. Round and around we go, where we stop nobody knows. The more sugar that's in there, the more you have to stir to kind of, your goal is to stir the sugar and dissolve it into the water. And so, wow, can you see all of the sugar in this one? Let's stir it up. Round and around we go, where we stop nobody knows. Circle. So it takes a little bit more for this one. All right, let's line them up and see if we can see them. Can you see them? They all started in the same place, but it looks like the blue is a little more, and the green is a little more than the yellow, and the yellow is a tad bit more than the red. And the reason for that is all the sugar that we added. The sugar increases the density of the water, and that's what's gonna allow us to layer the color in our jar. So I'm gonna give it a few more little stirs, because it's a lot of sugar. It's good that it's going in our science experiment and not into your tummy. Now we started out here and we had 2 tablespoons, and then we increased it by 2. So 2 plus 2 more, we put 4. 2, 4, 4 plus 2 more gave us 6. 6 plus 2 more gave us 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. All right. Now my instructions have told me that we are going to add a little bit of this blue to the bottom. Okay. And then we're going to drip these in. And first we're going to drip the green on top of the blue. And you know, at school we have these great little drippers that we squeeze. I did not bring one of those home with me, and I don't have them here. You know, they're called pipettes. But if you use a straw and you put your straw down in it and put your finger over the straw, then it picks up the liquid the same way our little pipettes at school do. Drip, drip, drop. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to start to add a little bit of green. Let's see if we can get this to work. So the green we're starting with. We don't want to go too fast because then we get a not so pretty rainbow. It's hard to tell if much is happening yet. I do wish I had one of my pipettes because it works a lot faster. Let's see. It's hard to tell, but I think it's starting. I need to add this slow. Which I'm going to keep doing. But I'm going to pause it for a little bit so you don't have to sit here and watch me do that. All right, my friends, I'm back, and I have gotten my turkey baster because the straw is taking too long. You can see here how it's starting to divide up. This is the blue and the green, and then the next color that we're going to use Hello Yellow. And it won't hurt to give it another little stir. This guy picks up a lot at one time, but you don't want to just squirt it all in there. You want to let it go gently and slowly. Still looking very green to me. Haven't gotten to the red yet though. Let's see what we got coming. I'm putting the tip of my baster against the inside of the glass so that it can slowly drip down. But it's still pretty green right now. I don't know. This might not be an experiment that's going to work for us. Let's find out what happens with the red. So I definitely can see the red sitting on top and the green and a little bit of the blue, but the yellow looks like it has gone completely away. Let's see if we add just a little bit more red. Uh-oh, I keep making a mess. Well, I can see it a little bit there. Let's see if I hold this up behind it. Kind of see what's happening there. It's definitely not super exciting, but I can indeed see the rainbow. And I think if you hold it up to the light, you'll be able to see even more. So I'm going to leave you with this. I want you to try it if you get a chance at home. And let me know how things turned out for you. If you did anything differently. But I can really see it. You have to hold it just right at the light to get it. Kind of looks brown on the camera. But give this a try. It's a pretty simple little experiment that you can do and have fun with it. And I hope to see you all very soon. I miss you very much. Everybody take care. Bye.